Is your car burning oil? Is your car not holding idle right? Check your PCV valve. So this is a PCV valve. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. What it actually does is during the combustion cycle, you have a lot of blow-by gases that slips across the piston rings and get into your crankcase. This one side is connected to your air intake, so there is continuous vacuum which helps suck all these pressure buildup and get this oil mixed air get burnt along with the compression stroke. When this fails, your blow-by gases do not get sucked back into the intake. There's a lot of pressure buildup that happens that could blow seals, damage your engine, start burning a lot of oil, damage your catalytic converter, and even have a blown engine. So this is a very cheap part. This costs close to about 1,500 to 2,000 generally. Especially if you have a German car, ensure that you check this at least once a year or once in 6 months, or if you have any idle or oil burning issues. So start with this. So this is a very critical component, especially if you're running a forced induction system. Ensure you check your PCV valve and look out for your blow-by pressures. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.